This video is not just about information. It is a journey. A slow journey. To the most beautiful river on Earth, deep inside the green heart of our planet. Far away from cities. Far away from noise. There flows a river that feels almost unreal. Calm. Powerful. This is the Amazon River. The Amazon is not in a hurry. The water moves slowly, smooth, steady, as if time itself has slowed down here. Early morning, soft mist rises from the surface of the river. The water feels quiet. The air feels cool. Everything feels still. The river flows gently between green walls. Tall trees, dense jungle, no roads, no cities, only nature. Sunlight slowly breaks through the thick canopy. Golden light touches the water. The river begins to glow. Not bright, not loud, just calm. The jungle wakes up. Leaves move softly. Branches sway gently. Life begins to stir inside the forest. Tall trees stand like ancient guardians. Their roots disappear into the dark water. Their branches stretch toward the sky. They have been here for centuries. The river bends slowly. Every curve reveals a new view, a new reflection, a new mood. In some places, the water looks dark and deep, heavy, mysterious, unmoving. In other places, the river reflects the sky. Blue above, blue below. Clouds drift slowly across the surface. Birds glide quietly over the water. Wide wings. Slow movement. Their reflections follow them below. The forest feels alive. Not loud. Not silent. Alive. Every sound has meaning here. The Amazon connects everything. The trees. The water. The sky. The life hidden beneath the surface. Beneath the water, the river moves. Deep currents. Hidden life. Unseen worlds. As the day moves forward, the light begins to change. Shadows grow longer. Colors grow deeper. The green becomes darker. The river feels heavier now. Slower. More powerful. More mysterious. In some places, the jungle closes in. Thick green walls. The river feels narrow. Surrounded. Enclosed. Then suddenly, the river opens wide. Very wide. Vast. Water stretches to the horizon. Here, you feel small. Very small. And somehow, that feels peaceful. No buildings. No borders. No control. Only water moving its own way. The Amazon does not belong to us. We belong to it. Afternoon light softens. The sun lowers slowly. The river reflects warm golden tones. The jungle glows. Leaves shine softly. Water moves like glass. Time feels different here. Slower. Quieter. Gentler. Evening arrives. The sky turns warm. Orange. Gold. Soft pink. The river slows even more. As if preparing for the night. The forest changes its voice. Day sounds fade. Night sounds begin. Darkness falls gently. Not suddenly. Slowly. Naturally. Moonlight touches the surface of the river. Silver light moves with the water. The river shines softly under the night sky. Calm. The forest becomes quiet. But never empty. Life moves in shadows. The Amazon feels ancient at night. Older than cities. Older than stories. Older than memory. The river flows without effort. Without noise. Without trying to impress. Stars reflect on the water. Sky above. Sky below. The river holds both. This place does not ask for attention. It simply exists. The Amazon does not rush. Some places are not meant to be explained. They are meant to be felt. Slowly. Quietly. Deeply. The Amazon River is one of them. And as the river flows on, so does this journey. Calm.